Jillian Nicole Casper. My first promise to you as your husband is that I will try to get through these vows without tearing. Baby, I know we said no presents on the day of our wedding, but I do have a little something for you. I've been holding this gift dear to my heart for some time now.
To a true Wonder Woman. To my beautiful bride, today is the day that we begin our forever as husband and wife. I'm truly blessed to now be able to call you my wife.
Taking me over once again. I see it in those eyes. They put me on the floor. You're taking me over in the end. I've got nothing to say.
We have created a beautiful life together and a beautiful baby boy. We have navigated a lot of uncharted waters in our relationship, but your steadfast loyalty and commitment to our love has never faltered.
Taking me over once again. In the empty dark, you light up the rest. You're taking me over in the end. I got nothing to say. When I got someone to hold, now I'm here with you. I got a feeling I can't believe. It could be the way you make me breathe. It could be the way you looked at me. I got nothing to say.
Back in my PJ time, that's pre-Jackson, I was in Alaska doing some soul searching in the middle of winter. I found this handmade Alaskan box with a secret hidden compartment.
Pretty good, man.
I'll pick you up from the dusty ground. I got nothing to say. When I got someone to hold.
If someone would have asked me 5 years ago if I would have saw myself getting married in Wisconsin to a Casper, I probably would have looked at them like they were crazy.
It could be the way you make me breathe. It could be the way you looked at me.
Please rise.
You accept me for who I am, you support me in any endeavor I set my eyes on, and you believe in what we've got since day one. It feels like just yesterday I saw you in that Publix parking lot, stepping out of your truck with your soft smile, and one of the first things out of your mouth was, "Wow, you sound just like your mom."
You may.
Oops. I'm glad I picked this song.
Dreams we can run down, feel it fall into place now.
Keep watering it with kindness, appreciation, and laughter, and watch it bloom in the most remarkable ways. So let's raise a glass to love, to my incredible sister and her wonderful husband, and Jilly now being able to officially tell our dad, at least I have a husband.
From this day on, from this day on, and we'll dream out loud. Take our chance, take it now.